Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about how to become an Amazon seller for beginners. Lecture 7. Already I put 6 lectures. If you didn't watch that video, I give you the playlist link in description. You click that video and watch that, and you come to this video, then only you can understand how it works. Okay guys, let's enter into the topic. Let's get started. Okay guys, in this video we are going to see about how to do Me Too listing for FBA warehouse. Already last video I put how to do Me Too listing for FBM easy ship. If you didn't watch that video, I give you the playlist link in description. You click that video and watch that, and you come to this video. Okay guys, first what is FBA? FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. That means if you purchase the products as a bulk from the local market and the suppliers, and then you send to Amazon warehouse as more quantities, like 20 quantities, 30 quantities, like that. That is called as Amazon FBA. They ship the item, the Amazon from the warehouse, they ship the item to customers. That is called as Amazon FBA. Okay guys, in this video we are see about how to do listing for FBA. Okay guys, this is my product. I show you in this example. Okay, first I copy this ASIN. I copy this ASIN and I go to my Amazon seller account. This is my Amazon seller account. In this account we go to add product. Yeah, in this add product we go down and click here. I paste it here and press enter. It will show like this, and it will show this product is not available. So I choose select condition and click new. Okay, sell this product is activated. It will show you in this page. Okay, in this page you need to note these 3 things. If you do Me Too means you choose this recommended. Yeah, it's already checked. First, seller SKU. Seller SKU means stock keeping unit. If you select this product and send to Amazon warehouse, they give your product as a separate stock. They note the numbers, so that's why it is called as seller keeping unit or stock keeping unit. That is SKU. We didn't note that now because we didn't have product. First I choose quantity. I'm not having product, so I choose the example as 0. Okay, and then come to this price option. Price I choose, for example, 30, and then already it's in new condition. Come here. First one, I will ship the item, that is FBA, easy ship and self ship. Already I put the video. Now you come to down. Amazon will ship and provide the customer service. That is called as FBA warehouse. If you send to the bulk products to FBA warehouse means you select this Amazon will ship, and save and finish. and then here it will show list as FBA and send to Amazon warehouse. These two options. If you have this product, you choose this option. If you didn't have this product, you have quantity is 0 means you put list as FBA.
List as FBA. Clickable list as FBA button. Amazon. Manage your inventory. Link rate this page. List with 4 items. Link 10. Link program policies combo 1.
Yeah, now it's done. Okay guys, this is a okay guys, in this video we see about how to list the product for Amazon FBA warehouse. Okay guys, if you like this video, click the like button. If you didn't subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.